we want to thank everybody and Kanisang building is a Cebuano price, but you are getting the best of the best in the Philippines. So all the elements are here, no? Pero kanang inyong itong tanaw sa Sinulog, murag hormigas na siya ituhay. Gusto lang tanaw sa Sinulog, diha lang sa podium. Swimming pool diha sa lugar, no? Or better yet, tanaw mo diha sa parkinganan. Actually, kaning site has been used as a Sinulog site for the last 20 years. My friend, si Mr. Gotong, Bob Gotong, always use this as young one, pa-impress niya yung mga amigo. Hindi ka pwede, magputang picture diha. So every year, kung di kang kitang Sinulog, tagang di kang DVD. Okay, magpapala ka lang. Thank you, everybody, for trusting us. And may we have more building to come. Nagkanis yan, no? Kaning nga building, mapalit mo ani, no? As an investor, no? We have more good news to come here, sir. Dr. Fernandez. We have more good news, so you can buy the Tapis Gate. We will have, what? We will have 3 or 4 more tower here. So one of them is BPO. So if we put the BPO here, di na kamo problema to rent it out. So the boom in Cebu, no? When we were building this one, there are about 30 applications to build the high-rise building. We call it high-rise building, anything below, beyond 10 meters, no? Pero as of now, I think there are 300 of them. So some of them will make good, some of them not so good. So who are the ones that will make good? The one in the superior location. Now also at the right price. If you have the superior location, you buy at the wrong price, it's like you get the Miss Universe, but you cannot afford the Miss Universe. Mabankrupt na. No? So thank you everybody, and I hope this is the Provinciana that becomes the Miss Universe.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, everyone! Cheers!
We hope that anybody who bought from us here will be able to sell it at 160. Because this is the price na gibaligya sa Discovery Suite when they launched it. They offer it to me 160,000 pesos square. Yeah. No? So 160, you're getting it at 160. So hopefully, a few years down the road, you can sell it at 160. And then you'll move to Tapis Gate. So, Merry Christmas sa inyong tanan.
Thank you very much.
And may you have more babies to come.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jack Rizal. Congratulations to our homeowners, Dr. and Mrs. Fernandez, and Mrs. Ludine Bocol. Ayan. Doc, parang wala kang choice, Doc, ha? Para mag-sign ka ng ibang property.